right, welcome back to the Chicken Guru channel, man. I'm thankful for y'all. Thank y'all for watching my last video, man. It's an honor for y'all to have great people, you know, come out and just watch my videos. But enough of all that, you know, lovey-dovey stuff. Okay, so I got something a little special for y'all today. We're not gonna eat no Popeyes, no. We're gonna go to Golden Chick. Yes, we're gonna go to Golden Chick. They got a new sandwich. One of my Snapchatters told me about it. And I hadn't eaten their chicken in like maybe a year or two, so we're gonna do that too. Yeah, we're gonna gobble down, you know what I'm saying? So we go ahead and go do that. We go ahead and go do it. Yo, it's your turn, coward. All right, anyways, my bad about that. People can't draw. All right, my bad about that. But anyways, we're gonna try the chicken, man. Like the closest one is like 10 miles away, so I gotta make that drive. But hey, I'll do it for y'all. Y'all asked for it, and I'm gonna do it. So I'm a man of my word. So we heading there right now, man. So yeah, let's go. Oh, fried chicken Friday. All right, we here. Now we're gonna see what they got.
Can you give me one moment? I'll be with you.
Oh, yeah. But anyways, yeah, so like I said, I'm trying to get a better cameraman. You know, your boy broke, trying to make up them coins, man. But yeah, let me go ahead and take a look at this real quick, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yes, I was trying to figure out if y'all had them chicken sandwiches.
Yes, sir.
What come with the combo?
A side and a drink.
Oh, what type of sides you got?
We have fries, okra, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, green beans, dirty rice.
They got okra.
Chicken salad, coleslaw, corn nuggets, jalapeno poppers.
Ooh, oh man. All right. Yeah, let me go ahead and get that combo. Let me go ahead and get that combo. Let's try the original first. This is my first time eating here in a while.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
And for your side?
Okra. I'm gonna get the okra. Well, no, actually, how much would it cost for me to get a 3-piece chicken?
$6.
All right, I'll do that.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
$12.23 at the same one,
Okay. Sorry. So I'm getting their sandwich. It's actually just a tender on a bun. We're gonna see if it's better than Popeyes. I did a snap video over that. If y'all want to see it, just let me know. Just put a comment down in the video. So yeah, all right. So this is what we're gonna do. We're about to try out their sandwich. We're about to try out their okra. We're about to try out their chicken. We're gonna see if it's you know, up to par, you know, with that Popeyes or, you know, that KFC. Yeah, I don't even know why I said KFC. KFC not even up there. Don't even know why I said that. But anyways, we're gonna do that. So yeah. I got the chicken. Oh! Wait, whoa. Hold on. Wait. We're gonna stop. We're gonna stop right there. We're gonna stop. This is not even a Popeyes, and I don't even know if it's good or not. So, you know, it's chicken. I'm gonna stay together. We never fell apart. All right, so I made it back. Yeah, I know the lighting's pretty bad in here. Can't do nothing about it at the moment. Ran out of light bulbs, so one lights went out. We're gonna have to make do. So anyways, I'm starving. I'm gonna be gobbled down. But first, I'm gonna show you what I got. So we got this right here. Oh, you can't see. Okay, there we go. We got, you know, 3 legs and breast. Yeah, we got a breast right there. And now, hold on. The moment y'all been waiting for. Oh wow. Okay. got the sandwich. It's pretty nice size right here. Hold on. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Look it. Hold on. Alright, so this is what I got right here. The sandwich is pretty nice size. I ain't gonna lie. It's about what? It's about $3. Yeah, about $3. You got this sauce on here. I think it's honey mustard, but let's go ahead and give it a try, you know. Oh wow. Okay, wow. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, I'm about to try it. Nah, wait. Yeah, right here. Oh. Okay. Okay, this is good. This is good. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm not even gonna lie. Golden Chick did they thing with the burger, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Dang. Alright, so now we up to the next thing, and that's the okra. We're gonna see now if it beats Chicken Express. You know what I'm saying? I didn't do a video of that, but if y'all want me to do a video of that, you know, put it down in the comments or something like that. Just let me know. So, alright, let's get down to business. So, hold on. Right here, I mean, it's fried okra, you know what I'm saying? I like me some okra. If you don't like okra, then you got a problem. Let's try one more. It's alright. I mean, I don't think it's better than Chicken Express's though. Yeah. Nah, I don't think so. I mean, I'm still you. I paid for them. Alright, so the last thing I told you I was gonna do is try out that chicken though. I mean, yeah, we tried the tenders. We tried out the okra. But how is their fried chicken? Is it better than Popeyes? Is it better than Chicken Express's? We're gonna find out now. And we're gonna start off with the leg. Alright, so here we go. Okay. That's some good chicken right there. That's good. I'm not even gonna lie. It's good chicken right there. So, Gold Chick, you did your thing, alright? Hey, now if y'all want to try this chicken sandwich out, the tenders is on a bun, but they got the nice little sauce that they put on it. I don't know if that's... Nah, that's butter, bro. That's not honey mustard. I'm tripping. That's butter. And it tastes really good. But if you want to try that out, the chicken and the okra, man, y'all go ahead. Personally, the okra's alright. I mean, I don't think it's that good. Maybe you should try like another side or something like that. Get the chicken in the sandwich, go ahead, man. I recommend. The Chicken Guru recommends. Chicken Specialist recommends. You know what I'm saying? If I was to grade it, I would give it a B+, which is still good. Still good. Well, that's all I have for today, folks. Thank you for watching. And I also want to say thank you for watching my last video. If you haven't watched it, put that at the end of this video. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and also comment. You know, if you have any other suggestions, I'll try my best to do that, implement in other videos, man. So yeah, join the chicken movement. I'm telling you, we're going places. We're going places. What are we gonna try? We're gonna try to go places. You know what I'm saying? Well, that's all I have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next week.